Where do we start with this beauty? It is absolutely stunning. One local lady owner from New, they ordered it and actually collected the car from the factory in Germany. Registered in July 2007 on an '07 plate. Mercedes SLK200 Iridium Silver Metallic. It is absolutely stunning all the way around. It was beautiful when it came in. We've spent a little bit of money making it almost perfect. We don't think you'll find a nicer example than this. SLK200, which is a 1.8 petrol engine, 160 brake horse, and this is a manual transmission. So not many of those about in manual. Let's take you all the way around it to show you how stunning this car is. A great fun car. Massive boot on these when the hood's up, and even then you can actually store a nice big suitcase under there. Comes with a spare wheel, inflatable spare wheel, locking wheel bolt, all there complete. The cover comes over there to allow the hood to be folded away. It's a fully electric hood, so just literally press the button and it does the whole thing on its own, full presto. So we'll walk around it and give you a very close look all the way around it. It is almost unmarked, maybe the odd mark around it, but nothing significant whatsoever. It is gorgeous. If you want a little fun car which is value for money, this has got to be the one. All the wheels are in great condition. We've not refurbished these. They are great condition. Proper heated rear window, glass window. Just look at the bodywork. It is gorgeous. Again, a good close-up of the near side front wheel. Good tyres all the way around with plenty of tread on those. Just a little tiny little mark there. Otherwise there is no marks on the bodywork. Of course the odd stone chip you'll see, which is age and mileage related, but genuinely there is nothing to worry about all around the car. A rust-free example, a rot-free example. It is just stunning. Again, the offside wheel and tyre. And again, just a final wheel. It was ordered from the factory with the 16-inch alloys, which was actually an upgrade. And can you believe locking wheel bolts was an option back in 2007 on this car? So it also has locking wheel bolts as a factory option. All the door trims, great condition. Electric front windows, cloth upholstery in incredible condition. Just look at that. Hardly anywhere at all for its age and the mileage. Centre armrest, just can't quite get my grips onto it, but that does come up. And a bit of storage behind there. All the dashboard, all the trims. It's a non-smoker's car, no nasty smells in the vehicle, all exactly how you would expect it. And just look at the incredible low mileage of just 57,932. We have every single invoice from delivery, all the servicing, all the repairs, whatever the vehicles had done, we have an invoice for it. We have 2 sets of keys, we have a book pack. Car's got cruise control as well. Various menus on there. You can scroll through. Shows you the dashboard, stereo. Good sound system of the vehicle. This just shows the various menus on there. Just scroll through. We've just carried out a full service, so it's ready to drive away today. Stereo CD, bit of storage there, dual zone air conditioning, manual gearbox, the mirror controls there, and that little button, just simply hold it down, fully electric hood, and just look at it, how smooth and how quick it folds away. Very, very neat. This vehicle also has the wind deflector, which is behind the seats, which is a great feature. Just stops the wind buffeting behind your head and giving you a bad neck. But just look at that, how quick and how smooth and how sleek that hood works away. No additional catches, just simply hold down the switch and it does the whole process itself. So quick and easy. It tells you on the dashboard when the operation is all clear. And it looks stunning with the hood or without the hood on. And there's the glass deflector there. Just clips on very quickly, or you can just leave the situation as it is. We don't believe you'll find a nicer example. As I mentioned, it is one local lady owner. Every single invoice, all the book pack, which you'll see in the images, every documentation. It is just a one-off. Any further information, always feel free to give us a call on 01782 822 700. Read about our raving fans reviews and you understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Specialist Cars, a multi-award winning dealer based in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire. We're open Monday to Saturday. Remember, you can click and reserve this car 24/7 off the website. If you fancy it, hit that button. And remember our full money back guarantee. If the car is not as described, we'll happily refund your deposit. Remember, these sort of cars don't come past every day. Our phone number again, 01782 822 700.
So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, of exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call, 01782 822 700.